That's that G3 with that 30 dick, man, I call that bitch my friend. Okay. Now I'm in the country with my cousin, turning up the party. I'm sliding in a double S, he whipped that bitch up, go retarded. Her ass fat, just like Cardi, natural, just like a Barbie.
Yeah, right, we just left the gym, feel me? Now finna head to this Carmeet. Goddamn, I'm tuning y'all in, but I'm about to goddamn, you know. Nathan done pulled up on Ivan, and I got the camera. Finna see what these views looking like. Let me hit that ghost camera, bro. Shitty tune. And that boy got that boosted lucky plate, you feel me? So now I'm about to bring y'all in with 360 camera views to the meet. Let's roll. But yeah, we waiting on Jonas to pull up now, goddamn. He uploading his pop tune. He taking the ghost cam off. And we gonna roll, you feel me? Man, so hey look, we still waiting to leave, to go to the meet type shit. Cause Bones just got here fashionably late. Better late than never though. Goddamn, we just waiting on Adrian. I don't see how.
Police station.
Alright, bet. Then we gonna get there, but the meet till 11, so goddamn, you know what I'm saying? I got 74%. That should be like there at the meet. And fine. this to the meat type shit, goddamn. Wide body. I might do a little walk around and see who I'm popping out there. Oh god, you took the wrong exit, bro.
Fucking turn.
It's my fault, okay. I swerved over there and shit.
Bro, I thought you was going there, and then there was another Charger went there, and I thought he was with us.
Hell no. No cap, this bitch hitting for real, for real. Hey, no cap, this bitch like some goddamn Tokyo Drift, Need for Speed, goddamn. You feel me? I said Tokyo Drift, Need for Speed. That's two different goddamn things.
Oh,
man,
shit.
Fast and Furious.
Yeah,
Hey, you
yeah,
talking about
right,
hell
right.
yeah? This bitch like some Tokyo Drift shit.
Man, that was cool, man. What the fuck are you doing?
10 speed.
Hey, this little nigga be everywhere, man.
Scattiano. 10 speed. So we got the Scattiano over here. Oh, we got a. You feel me? I'm about to try to tell brother to come over here and rail that bitch. Hey, bro. Do that motherfucker got a snake on his shoulder? Look over there. Do he got a snake on his shoulder? I need a picture with it. I need a picture with it, bro. I need a picture with it. But back to this cat motherfucker. That bitch tough. Oh. Hey, hold on. Come here. You peeped that banner, right? Hold on.
Y'all be bullshit.
Now come here. Peep that banner though.
Oh. Nah, that one is.
Can you say that again for me?
Yeah.
She's getting the what?
The boa constrictor.
The boa constrictor. So boa constrictor, my boy. Can't be scared, nah. He's scared.
Nah, he got it, bro. He got it. You got
Don't
it.
be no
bro.
hoe.
You
This
got
going
it.
on YouTube.
You got it.
I don't give a fuck if I got to take the video and post it.
You got it.
Oh my god, and she got it in the duffel. She got it in the duffel. Come on, bro. He talking about right here with me.
Hey, bro, my stomach and my ass right
Bro, you'll be alright, bro. Just come on, bro.
She got 3 of them. She got to know what she's doing.
Exactly. Oh, shit.
Oh, that's a red tail bone. Right?
I'm his head. Oh no, wrong snake. Wrong snake.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro. You got it, bro.
Please don't let it bite. Please don't let it bite. Huh? Hold on, let me do baby steps. Let me hold the small one.
Yes, sir.
That one's
Yes, sir. Hey, that's all.
Just don't drop them.
Oh, I ain't gonna drop it.
It'll hurt their stomachs. They die. The big ones won't die, but the little ones will die.
I'm scared. I'm glad I'm the cameraman today. No cap.
Oh, he moving up my face.
So that's a baby. It's a large version of that.
You boys over here holding snakes, bro.
Hey, bro, catch this for the thumbnail. You feel me?
Can't catch that
This is a large version of that. It gets this big.
Yeah, I think you can put the balls in.
What you mean? Is it real, Nathan? Talk about, is that a real one?
You want the biggest one?
But hold on, which one bite though?
You got a big one in there?
Come on, bro.
Am I letting the hole?
You want to, yeah?
Is he gonna choke me though?
No.
No, you be alright. I'm being a bad.
Y'all want
5
one?
seconds, and you can grab it.
No? I got a bunch of them.
A bunch? How many you got?
8.
8 enough? That's the biggest one?
Slide.
She's the fattest one.
Woo.
Hey, bro, it's squeezing though. Yeah, it's about time to grab him.
No, she's over there. She's trying to get away right now. She's going backwards.
Hey, yeah, that's over.
For the content. For the content. Look at all this.
Hey, that rap low key go crazy as fuck too though. And I ain't get that that bitch low key tough as fuck. 392. So that's crazy. As soon as we finna get some footage in with the great ass lighting, they cut the lights off. That's crazy as fuck. That's OD. But that wing on that barrel, I want one so fucking bad, bro. Yes, sir.
Get one.
You gonna buy it for me, my boy?
Nah, just spurge out.
Huh?
I know you got the money.
You got the money.
No, I don't.
Built trans, supercharged.
I'm about 1,000 horsepower.
I think the meet pretty much over with. Shit. It's about time to goddamn wrap this shit up. Oh my God. But shit, appreciate you for tuning in. That'll do TV, goddamn.
That G3 with that 30 dick, man, I call that bitch my friend. Now I'm in the country with my cousins, turning up the party. I'm sliding in a double S, he whipped that bitch up, go retarded. Her ass fat, just like Carmeet, natural, just like a Barbie. This